and welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. I hope you guys are doing well because me, I'm doing fantastic. For those of you that new here, my name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you a part of my bedroom that I didn't share in my previous video, guys. It's a video collaboration. The company set over to me this vanity, guys. You know, when you're a woman, you always want to look good whenever you're going outside. But for every single, if you are a woman, you can buy it for yourself and you can buy it for your daughter or for a friend. Your husband who have a wife or anybody, you can buy it as a mother gift, Christmas gift, any gift you take in mind, because for a woman it can be very, very beneficial. But me, I love to elevate my home. I love everything in my home to be luxurious, expensive, without me spending too much money. And if you are someone like me that love your home to look expensive without breaking the bank, this video can be a good option for you, because that's the way I just going out there to find out what is good and functional and bring it over to you guys. That can be very, very beneficial. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing and keep on watching. Okay guys, that's the way it looked like. So I really love it. It's so beautiful. It goes perfectly with my bedroom. As you can see, it has all the accessory that you need to put your, if you need to put jewelry on it, anything that you might think, your perfume, and the light is perfect for your makeup. So you're not going to miss anything when you're going out. Your makeup will be flawless. And I really love all the good storage that it has, so you can store a lot of things. You see how many drawers, and it's really good to have, guys. I really love it. The quality of the material, it's okay for the price you're paying for. As you can see, I chose the size because that's the one that go with this corner that I prefer. But guys, as you can see inside the drawers, it's very, very spacious that you can put everything that you need. Everything you have is gonna be very organized. The drawers are very spacious for what you need to put in. It's very nice to have. So like I said, you can use it in your bedroom as an adult. You can put it in your daughter bedroom, anywhere that you might think of. It will be super, super nice. Like I said, this size that I have in the corner, I was thinking about it, and then I said, okay, this is the perfect size it is for me. They have other bigger than that, but you see the exact corner, that's what I want for it. And I'm grateful. It was a perfect timing for me to do this video collab. Guys, if you decide to order yours, you're going to receive 2 boxes. To be very honest with you guys, it's taking a while to put together. As you can see, so many pieces that come in the boxes, and one box it has a mirror, and the other one have the other pieces and stuff. So after you finish to put it together, I promise you it's worth it. And as you can see, the boxes how it comes. You have a manual instruction that's going to help you building properly, so you don't have to worry about the whole that line up and all the stuff. So this is perfect for you if you can put the effort and to put it together. So this one can be a very, very good option. So my son is 13. He's the one that putting it together for me. As you can see the process. Yeah, so he took his time to put it together, and he finished with this part first, then put the drawer together. After that, he just put everything together. So honestly, it took him a quite while to put it together, but I'm so impressed with this material. I'm so impressed with my vanity light, my vanity to do my makeup in the morning, and the storage and the drawer are easy to push back, easy to pull, super easy, so you don't have to worry about your thing gonna break sometime soon. So it's a great to have, nice to have. If you want to market for this, can be a great option. As I mentioned, so many compartments to put your stuff. all your things will be very well organized. You have the power outlet. If you're doing your hair, you can plug your iron, your dryers, and everything that you need. And that's the button that control the light. So it has so many colors for you to choose from green to I think this one is a yellow or red, and you have blue. There's so many colors, and if you want to change the light, it's a nice to have, guys. So don't forget to check the link in the description box down below if something like that interests you. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review like I'm doing today. I do clean with me DIY. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. As I mentioned, guys, this is a must-have. I'll take the small one because that's the one that goes perfectly in this corner. But if you want to buy one and you want a bigger one, you can always head to the website and choose the one that you prefer. But me, I choose the small one just for the reason this space that I put it is a perfect space for it. I didn't have the need for a bigger one. Okay, guys, make sure to check the description box down below. The link will be there if you decide to buy one. And please buy to my link. When you buy to my link, you support the channel for more videos like this. Because me, I go out there just to look what it has. If it's good, I'll let you know and I'll put the link for you. And this is the way my bedroom is right now. And I'm going to change it. As you know, it's summer, guys, so I'm going to put a pop of color in my bedroom. And now that's what I have. So a couple days from now, I'm going to give you more videos because I have so many videos that I already record, but I haven't put them together for you yet, guys. So make sure to come back to see how everything turns out.
Like the way then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's the end of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.